I bet you wonder what I'm doing. I'm gonna make you watch this whole video to find out. All right guys, listen. My buddies over at Smittybilt just came out with a brand new winch that they're really excited about. It's the XRC Gen 3 12,000 pound winch. Now, Smittybilt is known for building great products, but I have a hard time fully putting, my word behind a product until I test it out. But they tell me this thing is 12% faster, it's got forged gears, it's water resistant, it's got a 7 horsepower motor, lower amp draw, super cool handle with a flashlight built into it. But now we're gonna see if it really works.
And all he's gonna do is he's gonna take that nifty handle, he's gonna attach that Smittybilt winch to that crane and take his Ford Raptor up the side of that building. Are you crazy?
Yeah, literally, my brand new truck, nothing holding it but the winch. I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and if it doesn't work, Smittybilt, let's hope you put your money where your mouth is.
And when it goes up the side of the building, you're gonna get excited, right?
Correct. Let's see what happens. I literally just pulled my 6,000 pound brand new Ford Raptor up the side of a building, vertical, completely dead weight with the Smittybilt 12,000 pound winch. I'll even show you, the truck is still dangling just from the winch and the winch line. There are no safety lines attached. That's as legit as it gets. And watch, it even still wants to pull.
Guys, that's how good this 12,000 pound Smittybilt winch works, and that's why we're putting one on Colossus.
As you can see, that winch had no problem pulling my Ford Raptor up the side of this building completely vertical. That's why we're gonna stick it in the front bumper of Colossus. I don't want some big, bulky aftermarket bumper. I want something clean, sleek, and strong, which is why Colossus is getting the Smittybilt XRC Gen 3 12,000 pound winch. And that's why my friend Diesel Dave is gonna tell you how you could own that excursion.
Exactly, that excursion. This excursion could be yours simply by going to dieselpoweryear.com, and every $5 you spend will be one entry into putting this beauty in your driveway. Go to dieselpoweryear.com.